Hello, my name is Ava Chismar, and I will be singing Florence Price's An April Day. On such a day as this, I think, on such a day as this, when earth and sky and nature's world are clad in April's bliss, and balmy zephyrs gently waft upon your cheek a kiss sufficient.